In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Discover in Perplexity. To get started, open your web browser and go to perplexity.ai. Once the site loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Perplexity is designed to help you explore information quickly, and one of the easiest ways to discover what people are talking about right now is through the Discover section. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Discover. This area is meant to surface interesting and timely content. So if you're looking for inspiration, current events, technology updates, or widely discussed topics, this is a great place to begin. The page is organized to help you scan through content efficiently, making it easier to spot stories that catch your attention. Now start exploring the topics shown on the page. You'll typically see curated items that may include trending news, tech stories, and popular queries. As you browse, don't feel like you need to read everything at once. A better approach is to quickly scan the headlines or summaries and focus on the topics that are most relevant to your interests. This can be especially useful if you're researching a subject, keeping up with industry trends, or simply looking for something interesting to learn about. When you find a story you want to learn more about, click on its story card. This opens the underlying research thread, which is where Perplexity becomes especially useful. Instead of just showing a headline, it gives you a deeper view into the topic and helps you understand the context behind it. You can review the information presented and then continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions directly within the thread. This is helpful because it lets you move beyond passive reading and into active exploration. For example, if a story mentions a new technology, a major event, or a developing trend, you can ask for clarification, more background, or a simpler explanation. That makes Discover not just a place to browse, but a tool for learning in a more guided and interactive way. As you use it more, you'll get faster at identifying which stories are worth opening and which threads are most useful for the kind of information you want. If your goal is to stay informed while also understanding the bigger picture, this workflow is a simple and effective way to do it. That's how to use Discover in Perplexity to browse topics, open research threads, and ask smarter follow-up questions